Hi there, it's Steve from Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we are happy to present this 2013 Ford F150 Supercrew 4x4 with the 6'5" box. It was just traded in. It's a local truck with no accidents, only 185,000 kilometers. In my opinion, Ford has the best and the biggest interior in a half-ton on the market. This will seat 6. That center armrest folds up. Check out the back seat. Like that's a ton of room. These seats fold up, put the kids, the crews, the hockey gear, stuff from work. You're good to go. This F-150 is equipped with factory Ford running boards, black in color, power windows, power locks, air conditioning, tilt steering, cruise control, and you've got MySync and Bluetooth hands-free so you can make and receive calls without paying that $600 ticket. We've done a full mechanical inspection. This truck checked out excellent. It's also got a clean Carfax, only one glass claim, local, and as you can see from the video, it's in great shape for a 13. And bonus, you've got trailer tow and wiring. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we can get you financed. We offer low rate financing with extended terms, plus we specialize in helping people with bruised credit. That means we'll get you into a newer truck like this one. Well, the whole time you'll be rebuilding your credit at a lower rate, plus driving a newer vehicle. This 2013 Ford F-150 has the 5-liter V8. It's also equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission and some cool aftermarket fog lamps. Oh, and check out the tow hooks. Miracle Truck and Car Company is located in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. We're actually right in the Coombs Country Junction, right on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway. You'll find us because we're the dealer with the heated indoor showroom. So we'll take whatever vehicle you're looking at, like this 13 Ford F-150, back it into the showroom. Don't worry about rain or snow. Grab a coffee and take your time. I almost forgot, you got mud flaps all the way around this truck, plus a plastic bed liner. That's nice. So why would you buy from Miracle Truck and Car Company? It's easy. You can deal with one or both of the owners. You don't have any pressure. We'll appraise your trade-in, we'll get you approved, and the whole time, you just sit back and enjoy the experience. We want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video.